What is going on, family? What is going on, family? You are now cosmically and divinely tuned in to Monty, okay? You are cosmically and divinely tuned in to the Most High. And I would like to say, how are you doing today? I would like to ask, are you okay? We are going through a time in life right now where it's a war. It's a war on your happiness. It's a war on your spirit. And it's a war on your soul. And it's a war on your light. We are in a time right now where people are very unhappy with themselves. People are very unhappy with themselves. So when they find people who are happy and who do love themselves, they're going to attack you. And they're going to put negative energy on your future, okay? They're going to try to make your life worse because they don't want you to be happy. Now is a time, okay, my family, where we need to be protecting our energy. Chosen ones, light bearers, light creators, people who give off light and auras in every room they walk into. You need to protect your energy because it's a war. It's a war against you. I was doing some meditating yesterday, and I believe I came to the conclusion it's a war between those who are the chosen ones and those who think that they are the chosen ones, okay? There's people who shine light, and there's people who try to replace those who are shining light. So my family, I need you to make sure that you are protecting your energy because we are going through a very tough time in life as light bearers, okay? And it's a society thing. I can't tell you how many people I have come across in the last, 2 weeks of my life. And every single person I meet only wants to figure out what makes them better than me. That's all people care about nowadays is what makes them better than you. You could be the best person in the world. You could be Jesus. People will look at you up and down and say, I'm better than that guy because of this and that, and push you into the dust like you don't even exist. We live in a world of energy stealers. I made a video about this in the past. We need to protect our energy, family. We need to protect our energy. And it's never going to end. It's only going to get worse, okay? Be careful who you meet in this world. It doesn't matter if they're rich or poor. To be honest with you, the more successful people are the ones looking to steal everyone else's energy and say, I'm better than everyone. So family, keep your third eye open and protect yourself. Spiritually protect yourself because it's a war against the light bearers and the light bringers. And it's sad because, we worked very hard as a light source, as me, okay? I worked very, very hard to become this person, to vibrate on this frequency. It was not easy to get here. And you have people that just come out of nowhere and say they're the same as me. That's impossible. I'm not even the same as me. I'm not the same person that I was a moment ago. When I said that, I'm not the same person. So how can someone else, a complete random person that's never walked life in my shoes, say that they're the same as me? That's not possible. But in this world, we have people who want to steal other people's energy. And these are the ones who want to be the chosen ones. Okay? There's the chosen ones. And there's the people who want to steal the light that the chosen ones bring. And again, I'm just telling you to guard your energy, okay? I'm a Monty, spiritual warrior, okay? My energy is protected, but it doesn't stop me from being attacked by evil forces, by demons. I get attacked by demons every single day. And it only makes me stronger, okay? Yesterday I was greatly attacked, but I'm still here. You know why? Because it's like if you've ever watched the anime Dragon Ball Z. If you watch Dragon Ball Z, you're laughing right now because you already know what I'm talking about. If you've ever watched the anime Dragon Ball Z, the main character Goku is always being attacked, but he becomes stronger and stronger and stronger through every saga of Dragon Ball Z. He reaches Super Saiyan, Kaioken, Super Saiyan, Super Saiyan 2, Super Saiyan 3. He gets stronger and stronger and stronger as these evil entities try and attack him. So my family, you're going to be attacked. And you're going to be attacked because, well, you're a light. And I know that you're a light solely because you've seen me. You've seen my vibration. And now my vibration has entered into your solar system. Your body. The body is a solar system. The body is a solar system. It's a system of the sun. It can't operate without the sun. Okay? They told you space is outside and, we're going to go out to outer space one day. Space is within. Space is right here. The mind is infinite space and it's constantly expanding. With every second, with every moment you're drawing in new energy, your brain is expanding. So space is constantly expanding. So it's all about raising your vibration and separating yourself from these entities. Because they're all over the place. They're inside of your family. And it gets no deeper than that. You can reverse engineer it. They're everywhere in the workplace. Unless you come from a divine, blessed place. But family, this is just a warning to protect your energy because there is a war that's going on. And people will try their best to steal your light. And it's something that happens to me over and over and over again. To the point where I'm like Batman. I need to be by myself because these people, these entities that I put myself around, they're just trying to steal my spirit. They're just trying to put bad energy into my life because they see I shine bright. And it's natural. It's completely natural. Because when you vibrate high and you're around low vibrational people, there's going to be a mix, okay? There's going to be a mix, all right? High meets low, there's always going to be a mix. So that's why you want to surround yourself with high vibrational people. High vibrational people are always going to keep you vibrating the way you should and not the way you shouldn't. So protect yourself, my family. There's a war going on. I'm out here in nature. Man's best friend is nature. And, make sure you're not inside too much. Make sure if you're seeing this, you spend some time around the trees. Because we talk to the trees. We feed off of the trees. Spiritually, we feed off of the trees. When you see a bunch of bushes and a bunch of greenery from the top of the trees, you know what that does? What that does is it helps to put you in a deep state of meditation. So make sure that you're around some greenery. It'll make you vibrate healthier. Okay? And make sure you're putting good energy into your body because what you put in, you push out. It feels good. Feels good. Whew. You know, I was really excited to make this video because it's just been something that was on my mind so much. You know, I was doing a little workout this morning and I was just like, man, it's really a war. It's really a war. And people are constantly going to try to attack you spiritually, especially when you have a lot of people around you. Me, I'm 26 years old. I barely have people around me. And I'm still finding myself in these situations where people are trying to steal me away from me. But they can't, okay? Because God won't allow them to do that. Whether they face that or not is up to them. But people like this, they pose a threat to one's safety because they're not honest with themselves. You need to be honest with yourself. The more honest you are with yourself, the more connected to God you will be. I'll say it again. The more honest you are with yourself, the more connected to God you will be. And the problem is, family, most people aren't honest with themselves. They look for the chosen ones to be honest with themselves, and they completely disregard their own life. So family, protect yourself, protect your energy. Be careful who you give your energy to. And with that being said, family, peace out, namaste. I hope you ascend today. Ascend over all of the nonsense that society throws at you. I hope you ascend over all of it and continue to ascend and continue to shine your light. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out, much love. Please drop a like. Help this video to get out there. Subscribe for more videos because we're going to be diving very deep, my family. We're going to be diving very, very deep. And we're going to be here for a while. So with that being said, family, tune in. Much love. Protect yourself. And namaste.